will show. I think I showed you a video on the last time, and it's about the ceiling fan right here. And we'll turn it on all speeds. You can see. Oh. Now you can see that it does not even work. That's a problem. Because now we're going to show you the easy part. I think it's going to be pretty easy. So probably for performance, here's the switch. Now you can see that it's going to turn pretty fast, and you can see it turning a little bit. Maybe we'll turn on the lights so you can see. Now you can see a little bit better how fast and clear it's turning. Now I'll turn it on medium to show you the final one. This is medium. And you can see that it's pretty fast on medium too. And then here's low. This is low. It'll start slowing down. It's pretty big though. And now, maybe I don't know when it stops, so I don't put my hand in it that much, but I do it sometimes, but I'm not going to do it right now. Next performance is pretty hard to stop. Stops in a long time it takes to stop. So maybe we'll show you the other ceiling fans. And this is our second one. This one works, but it works by switch. Now you can see it'll start going. It works, and I got two up in the bedroom, and this one's not that good because it's probably been here for almost a year since we moved in 3 years ago. And maybe I'll show you the other ones upstairs too. These are the lights. This one right here was burned out because my son put his dinosaur in there, and perfect. Now here's the second one. This one's been for performance for, this is my sister's bedroom, and this was the one that my sister always screams a lot. And this is a ceiling fan that we shouldn't have in there. Looks pretty nice. Maybe we'll get it to be a little more of a height. Now as you can see right there, each one of the blades there's 5 blades. So now we'll show you the one in my bedroom. I have a lot of stickers on my door. And this one has a beautiful chain on it, and I like the chain because my dad tied it on there for me, so I have it on there, and now I'll show you how it works. Now you can see that it's starting to get out and on. Now you can see it's gonna get pretty fast, and now we'll go back downstairs and see if we can see if the fan is slow down enough to show you everything. Yeah, this has been performance, and it's pretty much Well, for fun next. And now, see how fast this one's turning? It's pretty fast though. That's the lowest speed it can go on. Yep, this one's slowed down enough to show you everything. Now we can show you the number on it. I think you can see it. See it there? It says "Go Fast Fan." Go Fast Fan is what it says. Near the up switch right there, you can. I don't think you can see it that much, but now I'll show it to you on high. Now you can see that like they're starting to get pretty fast. This one I'm going to probably be put in my garage, and this is medium, 1/4 of a second. Finally to low, and this is 1/2 of a second. And off is an off for a second. Well, maybe we'll performance more videos, and thank you for watching. Maybe performance more videos. Bye.